Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a Sunday morning that I'm shooting this video and I love to pamper my skin on Sunday mornings. Guys, I was thinking to do a facial since quite a long time now, so I thought why not to try it in front of you guys using one of my favorite facial kits, that is a charcoal facial kit and spa by the Bombay Shaving Company. So guys, keep watching this video till the end to find out when to use this product, what is the cost of this product, how often to use this product, and why to prefer a facial kit that has activated charcoal in it. Guys, now let me just take out the product one by one so that I can show you what all is there inside the kit. The first we have is a charcoal face wash. Next we have is a charcoal scrub. Guys, next we have is a charcoal peel off mask. Guys, we are also provided with the instruction manual here, which we'll be definitely referring while starting our facial. And the last we have is a charcoal face pack, guys. Guys, now let me just read the instruction manual for you so that we are good to go with our facial. Guys, the step 1 is to cleanse using a charcoal face wash. It is mentioned here to use this product daily. Guys, the step 2 is to exfoliate using the charcoal face scrub. It is also mentioned here to use this product daily. Guys, the next step we have is to extract using the charcoal peel off mask. It is mentioned here to use this product once a week. Guys, and the last step we have is to restore using the charcoal face pack. It is mentioned here that use this product 2 to 3 times a week. So guys, now let's move on to the facial. So guys, as we have all the products now and we have also been through the instruction manual, let's start with the facial. Step number 1 is to cleanse your face using the charcoal face wash. So guys, let me now just wet my face. Take a small amount of this face wash on your palm. Now gently massage it on your Guys, be very sensitive around the area of your eyes as this area is supremely sensitive. Massage it for 1 or 2 minutes. Guys, one more thing about this face wash is that you can see that there is not much lather formed on my face. So guys, now let me just wash my face. Guys, you can see my face after the face wash. So guys, now as we are done with the step 1, then we have the step 2, that is to scrub your face using the charcoal scrub. Let me just take the small amount of this scrub on my palm and I'll apply it on my wet face. Guys, scrub it in a circular motion and be sure. Guys, make sure not to rub too hard. And guys, make sure that you are not being too hard on your skin. Massage it gently in a circular motion. Be very sensitive around the area of your eyes. Guys, keep massaging it for 1 or 2 minutes. Guys, now let me just wash my face with warm water and calm. So guys, here I am after washing my face with warm water. You can have a look at my skin. So guys, I'll wipe my face with a wet tissue so that the little bit of scrub left on my face will go away. So guys, the next we have is a step number 3, that is a charcoal peel off mask. So guys, we'll be applying this face mask on our face right now. Guys, be sure that you are applying a thick layer of this face mask on your face. Guys, be very careful while applying around the area of your eyes. Guys, make sure that you don't apply this peel off mask on your hair or on your eyebrows. Guys, now that we have applied this face mask, I'll let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes on my face so that it dries completely. So guys, as 15 minutes are over, let me just check whether this mask has dried completely or not. Guys, I feel that this mask has dried completely and I'm good to remove this mask. Guys, I've never been a pro at removing this mask at one go. Let me just try this time. So guys, as 15 minutes are over and this mask has dried completely. I tried taking off this mask from this side and it's coming out perfectly fine. So I'll remove the rest of it. Guys, one thing I would like to tell you that always remove this peel off mask in the upward direction. So guys, now I have finally peeled off the mask and now you can have a good look at my skin after removing the peel off mask. So guys, with this, we move to the last step of our facial, that is applying the charcoal face pack. So guys, here is how this face pack looks like. Guys, if you see, it is sort of clay. So guys, we'll apply this face pack. Guys, be sensitive while applying it in the area under your eyes. Guys, now we'll let this sit on our face for 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, as 10 minutes are over and this product has dried completely, I'll wash my face with plenty of lukewarm water and calm. Guys, I have washed my face with lukewarm water and now I'll wipe my face with a tissue and then show you the results. So guys, now you can have a look at my after facial skin. Wow guys, my face has turned so soft. And guys, if you notice, the blackheads are also gone. So guys, as usual, this product never disappoints me. And this is why this is one of my favorite facial kits, guys, the charcoal facial kit and spa. So guys, few of the things that I love about this product is that this is quite inexpensive as compared to the other products in the market, and about the result, I don't need to tell you much because guys, you have already seen the result on my face. The next thing which I like about this product is guys, it removes all your blackheads, whiteheads and makes your skin very dirt free. It cleans your skin thoroughly. Guys, the last thing that I love about this product is its quantity. Imagine yourself going to a salon and paying rupees 500 for a single facial massage, and here in 500 you are getting a whole facial kit using which you can perform a facial massage 10 freaking times. Isn't that amazing? So guys, with this we have come to the end of our video. To conclude, I must say this is a product every guy must own. And guys, I had to pay 500 from my pocket, so this video isn't sponsored by any company or even the Bombay Shaving Company. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time we meet, stay safe.